Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Joy Fold card with the Whimsical Trees bundle, which is part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite. Right, here's the Whimsical Trees bundle. It's part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite. You can find it in your mini catalog on pages 24 and 25. You can order the individual items. The bundle you get 10% off, or if you love it all like I do, you can order the whole suite with one number. Like that, that's very convenient. But we have, of course, the bundle with trees and dies to cut out the trees, and then all these extra little embellishments that you can put on the trees, stars and ornaments and tinsel. And then we've got the frayed blushing bride ribbon, super soft, and these glimmer snowflakes. You get 24 in a pack, and one side is shiny and the other side is matte, so you could color the other side. They did this in the catalog. If you look on page 24 at the top right there, they colored it mint macaron. So super cute. And then last but not least, the Whimsy and Wonder Specialty Designer Series paper has foil on one side and a fun design on the other side. And you can cut these trees out, some of the trees, with this, and this die right here. And I use those in my other easel cards, so check that out. We've got presents, stripes, and ornaments. So super cute paper. For this card, I'm going to do a Joy Fold card, but this is a little bit different because it has this little piece that holds the flap. So this is your regular Joy Fold card, but you can tuck it in there and it holds the flap. So I love this paper and I wanted to showcase some of it. So I started off with an 8 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock and scored at 2 3/4. And so, excuse me, that's half of the front piece there. And then I've got some designer series paper. So this one is 4 by, I think it goes this way, 2 1/2. And this one is also 4 by 2 1/2. And then I'm going to put a little bit of white in here. And it's just going to, this is 2 3/4 by 4. Just be a place where you can add an extra message there. And so I think I cut this too short because I really want it to be like that, and I don't want that white piece to show. So I think this needs to be 2 3/4. So 2 3/4 would be better because it looks odd. So I will get some more paper. I will fix that. So just this one is 2 1/2. These fun stripes. I love this color combination. It's definitely not one I would have thought of to add this polished pink, but the polished pink is really cool. And I can go ahead and adhere this down. And then I'll figure out the ornament paper. So that goes right there. Okay. And then let me recut this piece. And then this piece is, I want to say it's 8 by 2 3/4, scored at 4, cut in half. So this is going to be our second part, our Joy Fold card. And then I've got 2 pieces of Whisper White that are 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. So this one's going to go here and this one's going to go here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these 2 pieces. Okay, and then I've got a bunch of trees that I've stamped and cut out. So I've got this blue one that I stamped and this small mint macaron one, and I put a little tiny silver star on top with some of our silver foil metallic foils paper that's in the mini catalog as well, and then a polished pink with some tinsel, and then some of these out of silver foil. So these are all my trees. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these on. So they're all on dimensionals. This one I need to put some glue on the back. So I'm just gonna dab just a little bit of glue. And use some tweezers to pick it up, place it. I just have to hold it down for a little bit. Okay. All right. So let that one dry a little bit, and let's put some dimensionals on all of these. So this one we can do 2, do 1, go over to the left, and then 1 of these, and then we'll do some mini dimensionals on these. Let me see if I can get this one that's missing a backing. And then we'll do this one. Fun. Okay, so we'll start with the middle one here. Put that right about there. Then we'll do our polished pink decorated one over here. And our mint macaron with the little star on top over here, a little bit more over. And then we'll add these little guys. So this one, I'm gonna trim the stem and tuck this one down in here this way. Oops, that's gonna be too tall. So I'm gonna put this one over here in the back like that. Right about there. And then I'm gonna have to put this little mini one behind here. There, that fits better. Because I don't want to cover up the sentiment right there. Okay, and then I have stamped and cut out this little stamp right here. I colored it with the soft succulent and polished pink markers. Or is that, I think that's mint macaron actually. I'm not sure. It looks like soft succulent. Yeah, soft succulent and polished pink. And then I colored in the leaves and berries with the blends markers just to define and color in the stamp a little bit more. Otherwise, I think the stamp looks just like a whole bunch of lines going everywhere. So once you define what things are and color them in, I think it looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna recut this and I'll be back. Okay, this one is 2 3/4. So yes, that works. Okay, so you want 2 3/4 wide by 4 inches tall. 2.5 is too small. Oh, look at that cute little critter on the ornament. Didn't notice that before. Okay, so right about there. All right, perfect. So now I can attach this down. Whoop. And I'm going to place the bottom and I'm gonna center it on here. So I guess the place where you really write your message is right there. You can't really write it over there. So, oh well. And then it's gonna go like that, and that's a joy fold. But now we're gonna add this little piece over here that's gonna help us close it. So we're just gonna add a dimensional over here to this side. I probably recommend a mini dimensional. That way we have plenty of room to tuck this piece under. So I'm just going to put it right about there. And there we have it, our little Joy Fold tuck card. So I'm offering a free card kit on the Whimsy and Wonder bundle. It consists of these frame fun fold cards and 2 easel cards, the supplies to make all these cards, and 2 shaker cards. Super, super fun. So if you go to shopelanescreations.com and place a $40 order or purchase the Whimsy and Wonder bundle, just email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it right out to you. Don't forget to use the current hostess code so that I get credit for the order. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial with the Whimsical Trees bundle. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials with the Whimsical Trees bundle. It's part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite. So beautiful in the mini catalog. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.